Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm the professor with the bow tie. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button and leave a like if you like this video. Today I'm here in this beautiful setting. Up there, somewhere, there is a school that I work for. I'm very blessed to work in such a beautiful place like this. Today we will learn about a verb in Greek that is the most useful and the most important verb to all languages. Is the verb to be. This verb signifies the meaning of existence, to be in this world. So let's see it. Okay, this is the verb to be. And also, I have here the personal pronoun. If you want to see this pronoun separately, you have to watch a previous video that I have made. So, let's begin. Εγώ είμαι. I am. Εσύ είσαι. You are. Αυτός, αυτή, αυτό είναι. He, she, it is. Εμείς είμαστε. We are. Εσείς είστε. You are. Αυτοί, αυτές, αυτά είναι. They are. One more time. Εγώ είμαι. Εσύ είσαι. Αυτός, αυτή, αυτό είναι. Εμείς είμαστε. Εσείς είστε. Αυτοί, αυτές, αυτά είναι. Είμαι. Είσαι. Είναι. Είμαστε. Είστε. Είναι. So thank you very much for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.